Hello guys, today I'm going to review this mechanical keyboard produced by Rapoo, a Chinese keyboard manufacturer who produces mouses, keyboards, and other stuff. So this is their V510, and for this mechanical keyboard they're using their own switches. They're not using the cherry switches. And as you can see, it has different light settings. Currently I'm running this all keys with backlight kind of option, and you can actually change for different light settings. For example, if I change for like this one, so I press this button with F9 and you see that the number pad lock is on. You can turn it off, and when I hit a button it would just flashes to the both side of it. I like this one pretty much, and I also like the F5, F7. F7, it's just gonna linger a little bit when you type something. So actually I do like the sound of it. It's like they call this the blue switches, which is good for typing. They also got the black switches. So anyway, how much do you think this thing cost? If I tell you the price, you probably will not believe it. First, you can see this is a very sturdy mechanical keyboard. It's pretty heavy. It's definitely more than a pound. It's like, or almost like 2 pounds, I guess, like a kilo in my hand, more than a kilo probably. It's pretty sturdy and heavy. And this is the switches in the back. You can lift it up like this, and for this thing I only spent for $30 including shipping. Isn't that amazing? That's the price you pay for a mechanical, oh sorry, just turn the music on. You pay for a mechanical keyboard, and these are one of the things I feel really amazing about China. And this is currently my gig right now. I plug my laptop to this monitor, and a few days ago I just got this pair of speakers and the speaker stand. So I paid about $40 for the speaker stand. So they can be purchased from Taobao.com, which is really a good deal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and I will have more videos coming soon. Bye bye.